What's up guys, Steven Dux here. In today's video, I'm going to talk about some of the tickers that happened in the last week. Since we had a really boring month on April, there's some decent tickers the first week of May. So I'm going to go over some of the trades that I did and some of the mistakes. So majority of the mistakes. So AETI, this is on the bounce short. If you can take a look at, there's a decent resistance in the history. One is around the 1.55, 1.72, and another is around 1.86 and 196. So all the resistance are around that area, nearby $2 area. In this ticker, the market cap is relatively really low. So in that, you have to be really careful with once the flow starts to rotate. It's going to be really difficult to short into, especially when the market cap is under 10 million. And now when you look at the intraday chart, now typically when the stock is on parabolic with this really solid volume, you don't really want to size into the parabolic. You want to size into once the stock starts to consolidate. So in this case, I sized it around 1.5 and I covered around 1.16. And I was hoping the stock will fade all day back to $1-ish. But turns out it didn't. It did the choppiness throughout the whole day and finally dumped by the end of the day. So this is really special scenarios that when the stock is really close to $1, because NASDAQ stocks love to hold their stock to above 1 to be able to fit the NASDAQ requirements. If the stock falls below 1, it's likely for them to get delisted. That's why the stock does reverse split. Once the stock falls below 1, goes to a couple cents, and then we do a reverse split of 1 to 50, it goes above $1 again. So that's how we really stay in the NASDAQ market. Now, when you're shorting into a parabolic, even though you have a decent resistance and very good risk reward, but when the stock is really close to 1, you want to kind of cover right about $1-ish because you don't want to risk in that. You don't know even the market makers or company insiders wants to hold above $1 area. Typically, what I will do is I will just cover full positions above $1. Now, that's one of the factors you have to pay attention to when the stock is around 1.3, 1.5, $1.7-ish. Now, GNE was the one of the ticker also. This one was a gap up short. And now this is also very close to $1. As you can see, the stock is holding above $1 area throughout the entire day, even though when the morning consolidation cracked. Typically, when morning consolidation cracks, it fades all day, especially when the stock is around $3, $4, $5-ish. So in this case, the stock just barely holding above 1, and it had the Friday morning squeeze. So a lot of people are not really expecting this, but it gapped down on Monday because people doesn't want to really hold overnight and they cover all their shorts. And when there's no short in the pre-market, people are selling off. And you can see there is massive support around $1 area. So the stock is still holding $1 area. And when you're shorting into those, they say the stocks are over 100%. But when you're shorting around $1 area, you still don't have any kinds of risk reward. So I tend to stay away from something like GNE, AETI, CTHR. So a couple things you don't want to trade. First, the stock is really close to $1. Second, the market cap is too low, under 10 million. Third, when the stock has no volume. Now, if you look at this, CTHR, everything was correct, decent market cap, decent flow, but you can see there's no volume, 2.37 volume. Average good day trading volume is around at least 20 million on the current day. Even though when the stock break 52-week high, it's still not a very tradable stock. Keep that in mind. Just be patient reading for the right setup. Always sizing small, even though it has a really good resistance, but the stock price is not ideal. Hopefully this video helps. I have a conference coming up in August. For anyone who want to register, I will post their link in my website in about a week. So if you want to come meet me and watch me live trade, this is the event. And thank you very much. And I will see you guys next week.